This is the TV show of MC Squared, and our topic is the and thanks mom. What did the woman do to the boy?
What did the woman do to the boy? That's the boy. He brings the boy pocket or wallet.
Citrus that the woman is good.
Even the boy snatched her wallet,
Snatch.
the woman still held the girl
Ay, the boy.
and also made him
The boy.
another one. The woman gave the money to the boy to be able to buy his new shoes.
Citrus that the woman is also tough. Even the woman is in danger. She fights the boy to avoid him to
Get her.
steal her wallet. The opinion of our staff is good for
Beginners. Or beginners.
and this is the end of our report, our TV show.